So this is just a simple game of blackjack without rules such as splitting, doubling down, insurance, and betting. As you can see, there's a dealer hand and a player hand area. Each have a score below it. On the left, there's a start button. There's a reset button. There's a tally of the wins and losses that are lost upon exiting the application. There's a hit button, which adds a card to your hand. And there's a stand button that resolves both hands and also reveals the dealer's hand and score. Every time you hit the start button, a new deck is created and shuffled. Therefore, because exceeding 21 points makes a hand bust, ending the game, it's impossible to run out of cards to draw. The possible outcomes are as follows. You can win by having the dealer's hand bust. You win by reaching a score that is higher than the dealer's while not exceeding 21. You can lose by having your hand exceed 21. And you can draw. So when both the dealer hand and the player hand end with the same score, either a win or a loss is given. This is called the push. The score is counted as follows. Cards 2 through 9 are worth their respective face value and score. Tens, jacks, queens, and kings are each worth 10 points. And aces are worth either 11 or 1, depending on if the latter would make your hand bust or not. The dealer's first card, the whole card, is hidden. That way you aren't able to tell what kind of score the dealer may have before you start hitting. So here I have 19 points. I'd like to keep that, so I'm going to stand. Unfortunately, the dealer scored higher than me, so I lose because he got 21. So here I reset and I start over. I'm going to keep the 20. Here I scored higher than the dealer. He got 17. Therefore I win. Also, the dealer has to draw when his score is lower than 16, and he has to stand when his score is higher than 16. Here I have 21. This is considered blackjack. I'm definitely going to keep that. Although I do have the option to hit and lose it. And there I've busted. I've gone over 21, so I lose. And the push is hard to find because of the nature of it, so I will not be featuring that in this video. That's it. That's my app.